The PEPL Biostove Cooking Stove. This stove is made of durable stainless steel. Its windproof serrated cross stand offers a stable platform and increases heat contact. This smokeless stove has a double wall and fan at the bottom. It uses twigs, leaves, branches, and wood as fuel, making it environment friendly. With its open feature, it allows for easy fuel addition. This stove can hold up to 15 to 20 kilograms and has a wood feeding capacity of 1 kilogram. The product measures 20.32 by 20.32 by 33.02 centimeters and weighs 2.6 kilograms. The box includes a stove, USB power adapter, product literature, and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page. Hi guys, I'm Deepthi and I recently purchased this PEPL cooking stove 2 weeks ago and my experience with it has been really great. So let me show you some of its features. The Bioflame stove offers a clean and environment-friendly way to cook food without using specialized fuel. The stove is crafted with high-quality stainless steel which can easily withstand high temperatures. The burner can hold up to 10 to 15 kgs of weight. It has a windproof serrated cross stand, offers balanced support to your cookware and increases heat contact. It is also easy to carry. You can break it down and travel with it. Put it together within minutes and you're good to go. It has an aerodynamic design that reduces the power consumption of fans. Plus, there are two power input selection options for high and low speed. The stove also has a double wall and a fan at the bottom which blows cold air directly into the burning chamber. All carbon particles burn inside, improving burning efficiency while also making it smokeless. You can use the twigs, leaves, branches, wood as fuel to cook a meal, and it leaves no chemical emissions behind. Its open mouth design allows you to add fuel without lifting the cooking pan up for a safe cooking session both indoors and outdoors. And the coolest thing is that it comes with a USB power adapter to provide the power supply via a USB. This burner is eco-friendly and safe to cook your food cleanly and quickly, so do check it out.